My name is Tacay, and I'm a photographer. I've been shooting professionally for about 15 years now. Street photography is not about just shooting streets or people on the streets. What it is capturing the human condition. To me, a successful shot is one that forces the eye to go around the frame. I like having the controls at my fingertips, not having to dig through menus to be able to change the things that I need to change on the fly. When I'm constructing a scene, I'll usually find something that catches my eye initially. And then I'll try and build upon that by seeing if other elements will come together. To me, shadows, reflections, silhouettes, and layering all those elements, that's what I'm really attracted to. When you've shot for a while, you start to understand what works and what doesn't work. You start to turn luck into skill. When it comes to my style of shooting, I try not to be as intrusive. I try to be a part of the scene as much as I can. It's when we're able to experiment and kind of like go outside the box or stay within a certain box is the time that we are able to grow as artists. And I think that that's super important when it comes to street photography.